You're welcome to another session of Facebook advertising implementation course. We want to look at Facebook ads pixel implementation. So we want to look at how can we install. In our previous class, you talked about pixel, that is this connection link between your Facebook accounts and the on your website, your landing page, your store. So the essence of the Facebook pixel base core Facebook pixel is to inform Facebook about the activities of visitors on your websites. So, and we have the base code, we have the Facebook base code that tracks page views. Then we have the standard events pixel that we use to track specific actions on your website. Okay. We have the custom conversion pixel that we can also install that tracks uh, specific actions carried out by visitors on your website by using URL, specifically URL, by defining set of rules using your URL. So quickly, I'm going to show you how you can install your Facebook pixel base code on your website. And normally, to install your Facebook pixel base code, there are in two phases. You have the setup phase on Facebook and the installation phase on your website. That means you will set it up on your Facebook and you now install it on your website. And how do you install it? You can either install it manually using code, or you install it using Facebook partners. So let's quickly see what we can do. Let's quickly see what we can do. I want to go to my Facebook page. You come here, you can, how do you get here? Our business manager. You can always go to from your Facebook page. Okay, let me see. Let me log on to Facebook account. Okay, you can go to business.facebook.com/overview and you click on your business icon. You come to business settings. Okay, from business settings, you can have access to data. Okay, let me go to business settings. Then from business settings, you come to, you choose your accounts that you really want to use market online. Okay, so from there you can always, okay, you come here, market online, that this one, you choose it. So we are in business settings. Another way through which you can do this, you can just go to your Facebook accounts. On your Facebook page, you can also access your accounts. So you can come to this menu, you come to, let's see, come to ads. From your ads, you can visit your ad manager. So come here. So we come here and go to business settings. Okay. Choose your accounts, business manager. Okay, so from this business manager, you can now scroll down to where we have that data sources that what provides data. That means when you see data sources, you want to talk about pixel. Okay, you click on data sources, you come to pixels. Okay, when you come to pixels, you are ready to set up your pixel. So how do you do it? You click on add, Okay, we're trying to set up a pixel. You can give it any name you want, you wish. Let's say Facebook ads test 2, test 2. Then you can put your URL or you leave it, is optional. Click on continue. Now, when you come here, you will see two options. Continue managing my business. That means you set it up later. Okay, you can set up your pixel later in the pixel section of your ad manager, or you do it now. So set up the pixel now. I want to do it now. So once you come here, okay, connect website activity using pixel, add code using a partner integration, manually add pixel code to websites, email instruction to a developer. So this email instruction to a developer is used when you know that you are not a techie person, okay, and you don't want to mess up with your website. So you copy the code and send it to your developer. You just email it to your developer, and your developer knows what to do. Your developer will work on it and ensure that it is integrated, and you'll be ready to go. So let's copy the code, and from there we move on. So what do? We just come to manually add pixel code to your website. So we have to copy the code, come here, click on here. Once you do that, the install base code on web. So this is the base code, and you can see instruction on how to install the base code. Copy and paste the pixel code into the bottom of the header section of your website. Okay, so the code is always here. You can always copy it here. Copy code to clipboard, copy it. You have copied it already, and you turn on automatic advanced matching. If it is not on, you turn it on. Why? It will help you choose the customer information you want to send. Okay, then you can now come here, email instruction. If you want to send it to the developer, you can always come here and send the information to the developer. Okay, so let's install it to our website. After installation, we can come back to this stage 3, this state here, state the base code, test the base code. We put in the URL and we send what traffic to that website and see if the pixel code we have installed can track the page. We can track that traffic. So let's quickly install it here to see the information that we in that code. You can see this is base code that we're going to send to our website. Now, if you come here, you will see Facebook. FB means Facebook. Q query. Then this is the ID of the code you just generated and want to install on our website. Then this is the events that will be tracked, page view. Okay, so what do? So what we do is copy everything. Okay, you go to your website. Okay, you come here. So we go to, okay. You can come to our dashboard is here. Let me go to the back end of the website. So we go to appearance. We want to install the appearance. Come to theme editor. Okay. Then go to header. Come here, header PHP. Then we see after below the header, we see these codes. You see page view, you see the scripts. Okay. End of page view. This is the end of the Facebook code. That was the initial one I installed. What you just do is from the header, between the header and the the end of the header, just come here and paste it. Okay, and when you are done, you come to update file, update your file. So file edited successfully. Okay, file edited successfully. So this is our website. Let's go there and see. Let's launch it and see. Okay, so this particular website, let's see if what we have installed is working. So you can come here, pick it up, come back to where we are creating our pixel. Okay, you come here and let's test it. So send test traffic. We are sending to that website, and let's see if that pixel is well installed. Actually, what will help us to know if the pixel is well installed, before we start installing our pixel at all, we would have installed what we call Facebook helper, Facebook pixel helper. It is a Chrome extension that we can install. You can always come to this, you can put Facebook pixel helper. So it's a Chrome extension. Okay, just click on it. Facebook pixel helper. It is a Chrome extension. So once you click on it, you will discover that this is what you see. Remove from Chrome, because I have it already. It's showing remove from Chrome. Okay, I have it already. That's why you're seeing remove on Chrome. If it is not on my system, of course, I would have installed it. So let me see if I can uninstall it and refresh that. So I've shown you how you can go to your, how you can get a Chrome, Let me remove Chrome. Let me remove it. Okay. Once I remove it, I'll refresh what I have. I've removed the Facebook pixel helper from my Chrome extension. Okay, you can't find it again. So let me refresh. You can see that it has changed to add to Chrome. Okay, so let me click on this add extension. Okay, so once I come here, you will see that Facebook pixel helper has been added to Chrome. So since it has been added, okay, and remember that I've just tested, you can see that it is active. Okay, you can see that what we have here is now what? Active. That means the Chrome, the Facebook base code, the Facebook pixel base code that I just installed is working. So I can come back here and come to this Chrome extension, and look at, let me refresh it. You can see, let's see what is happening here. You can see this code. Let's copy it and compare this code, this pixel ID. Let's compare it with what we installed on, what we set up on Facebook. Oh, just click there to copy it. Okay, let's go. I'll click here. So just install, just paste it here. Let's look at it. See 3043, 3043, 59, 79, 59. So that means we have successfully installed. You've viewed additional information about the pixel, such as its name and how it was set up, because it is associated with your Facebook ad account. Only people who are logged into an ad account that has access to the pixel. Now you can see the ID. Now you can see the account, the URL that is connected to. If you come to page view, okay, you can see how was it set up. It was manual. Remember that we use manual method, okay, and it's telling us how it was installed. That's manually. because we copy the code and paste on the website. So let's go back to what we did. And from here, there's the base code. You can see that it's showing active. That means we widely installed the what the base code. When you continue, that means you are going now to install your standard events. Okay, that is what it means. If you click on the continue, you are going to install your standard event. So let me go back. We are still coming back to there. Let me go back. Now, if I want to use partner, then I come here. In using partner, you just click on it. Now, the partner we are talking about are probably on your website. There are some softwares that can help you handle different pages. Okay, you don't need to use your own website, so you'll be paying monthly or yearly, like funnel, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, like Jumia, different platform, Kajabi. They are all in one softwares that will help you to handle, your landing page, your sales page, your thank you page, your pre-sale page, all in one. Even sometimes they are connected to your email marketing platform. So in this case, I'll come to WordPress because I use WordPress. So what will happen here is we are using plugin on this third party, on these partners. We use plugin to install our base code. So what do? We just come here, we go to next. Already Facebook has directed us that we should install a plugin, okay, and follow this direction. Okay, so what you just do is, you once you install the plugin, you have to come here, go and install Facebook for WordPress. You install this on your website. Once you are done with the installation, you search and choose Facebook for WordPress. Once you are done, you click on next, and that will give us the next instruction: get started. Select settings and choose Facebook from the drop-down menu. Get started and follow the instruction. So once you get to get started, you are almost done. Then the next thing, you click on next, and you see that, of course, you know that we did it manually before, and that is what you are saying there. Well, let me quickly show you what you are expected to do on the website. You come to your backend. Now you go to plugins, add new. Normally, already we've installed. Okay, go to plugins. This is another method. If you're using partner, add new. And when you come to add new, okay, come to you type Facebook. Facebook for WordPress. You see, Facebook for what? WordPress. This is it here. So it is already active, meaning that it's been installed. So let me even go further and uninstall it. So now go to add. So I have Facebook for WordPress. So as WordPress. So I have this. So you can see that install now. Click on install now. And we now have activate. So it is already activated. So you can see that it is what activated. So once you are done, you quickly scroll down, you will see where we have Facebook, okay, as a plugin installed on your WordPress backend. Okay, we go to settings. Under settings, you see Facebook. Settings, Facebook. Click on it. Connect your business to Facebook. Powerful tools from Facebook and Instagram. Create an ad in a few steps. Use built-in best practice for online. Get reports. So you click get started. So it will be connected to your Facebook accounts. Continue as Ushi, that's the owner of the accounts. Then you come to continue. Okay. Advanced automatic advanced machine should be on. So we are good to go. So we are done with this. Okay, so we are completely done with the installation. So this is how to install your Facebook base code pixel. It is as simple as that. So what it means is all the pages you have on that website, we have that particular base pixel, that particular pixel ID. So I will see you in the next class. You can see done. Help more people to discuss. So this is done. We are done with it. So we are left with setting up our standard events. Okay, setting up our standard event. I can decide to agree with this and say confirm. Yeah. So you can now, your business is connected to Facebook. Okay. So I can connection settings. So I can now, so it is, you can see that it is what connected. So this is done. I can now, we have just shown you three methods. You can you can use manually, come to your the website and do it manually. Even this website, you can use another plugin or you can use other companies plugin like Caffeine. I think I have Caffeine here. Okay, just use one. Don't use multiple plugins. You can use insert header. Yeah, Pixel Caffeine. It is for installing both base code pixel and your standard event pixel. You can use Pixel Caffeine to achieve that goal. Okay, so you can, if you're interested in, you can go to YouTube and type how to use Pixel Caffeine to install your base code and your standard event. Okay, but for now, we are done with how to install the Facebook base code pixel. So in the next class, I will show you how you can now install the standard event and the custom conversion pixel. Okay, so I'll see you in the next class.